Hello and welcome back to my channel. I know it's a whole new background, a whole new place. It's not really a whole new place. It's literally just 90 degrees from what you're used to seeing. This is the infamous desk in which I record all of my videos, except maybe the floor. I do record on the floor. Basically, this video is just going to be a short recap video of everything that I've made in 2021. Well, with the exception of a few things that I didn't record for my channel. So, without further ado, let's get to it. And that's it. That's everything I've made in 2021 for this channel. There are like 2 or 3 different things that I would like to put on my channel, but I'm not quite sure if anybody would want to watch them. I made my friend a purse at the beginning of the year for her birthday, and it was a green suede purse, and it had like Harry Potter houses as the lining because she's a Gryffindor. So there's that, and then I also did drafting. Like I drafted my first knit shirt, and it turned out perfectly. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing behind the scenes for the next month, is practicing drafting stuff so that I can eventually get away from commercial patterns. But in all honesty, this channel is still going to be half commercial patterns, half things that are free, because I own too many commercial patterns, and I need something needs to be done with them, because if not, I have more patterns to my name than anything else. even Yu-Gi-Oh cards. I found my Yu-Gi-Oh cards the other day, and like, I have a lot of Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Not a lot of Pokemon cards though. I was just gonna quickly pop in and just say a few things about what I've learned. Number one thing I've learned, if you're gonna sew or do anything, do it because you like it. Like, I have made a few things for this channel that I wasn't exactly excited about, and I'm pretty sure you can see in the film that I wasn't excited about it at all. But then like a good 75% of it, I was like, yes, this is my everything. So I'm learning that the things that I want to make, I need to make. Not because anybody else wants me to make it, because I feel like you lose the passion when you do stuff for other people and you're not doing something that you love. I mean, if you're doing what you love and other people love it, that's awesome. But if you're doing something that you don't want to do and that's not interesting to you, like I did make a full circle skirt connected to a dress. Well, what am I saying? A full circle skirt is not something that I like, especially like the 1950s style. I realized when I put it on my body, I'm like, I look mammy made. Like, I hate this dress. So sooner or later that'll come out and I'll have to revisit it, fix it into something that I do like, or just kind of just show it anyways, because it is a commercial pattern. And I'm sure somebody out there is trying to make it and they kind of want some help. The second thing I've learned is you need to have good undergarments. Like, it's really frustrating to put something on that you know is cute. You know that's going to look cute. But then like to have the wrong underwear on, the wrong Spanx on, the wrong bra on, and one that doesn't fit, it can ruin an entire outfit. And I can say, especially with this bra here, like it makes me so broad. And if you know anything about bra making, you can understand that when you have a bra, regardless if it's supposed to fit, if you have the wrong wire in it, it will literally spread across your chest and make it just uncomfortable. So this one's on its way out anyway, so I figured this is a great time to make a bra. And that's what I'm going to be doing on my Instagram and Facebook for the next couple months, so that I can have a bra that fits, that actually looks good in garments, and I don't have to accommodate just looking terrible in it. Anyways, I think that's really it. Those are the two things that I've learned. Make stuff that you want to make because you want to make it, and have good foundational garments because it could really make or break an outfit. Yeah, I don't really... Oh, I did make a shirt and I drafted it myself. I see my cat walking outside my door. Anyways, I did draft my own shirt the other day. Lilo! I did draft my own shirt the other day, and it turned out amazing. It was a knit, and it was black, and I can't find it. And I was gonna wear for this video, but I just don't know where it is in my house. Like, if you can see this corner, it is quite literally nothing but fabric that I spent too much money on during the holidays, and I have to start making things. So you're gonna see new fabrics. I'm really excited for them. But yeah, I drafted a shirt, and I think that's what I'm gonna start doing, is start learning how to draft so I can get away from commercial patterns, because I have way too many. I have at least 300, 400 patterns, and it's quite overwhelming. I don't quite know where to store them. So, yeah. I'm trying to keep this really short because I know I say it short and I can talk if I want to. I have a lot to say. Anyways, thank you for joining me today. I hope you had a wonderful holiday season. I will see you later this month. I'm looking at my calendar. Later this month, I should have 1 or 2 videos coming out, and I'm really excited for those. And I'm going to promise myself not to give dates because I can't seem to stay on schedule when I give you dates. So there will be a video, 1 or 2, coming out this month. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you folks later. Please join me on Instagram or Facebook. I think that's it. The holidays have worn me out. I don't remember the rest of my stuff. Oh, if you make anything that you followed my so longs for, please tag me on Instagram or just say hey down below. Like, I feel like I don't connect with you folks enough, and I would love to focus. Good Lord, I should focus. I would love to get to know you folks better and say hello, because there's 360 of you, and I don't know, I just feel so lonely. Anyways, let me stop blabbering. I will see you folks next time, and yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you later this month. Bye. It's the awkward wave I've ever given in my entire life. Who do I think I am?